Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, the Amazon eero mesh Wi-Fi system and the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600. We will evaluate these products based on their features and performance to help you make an informed decision. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. When it comes to coverage, both the eero mesh Wi-Fi system and the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 offer impressive range. The eero system can provide up to 4,500 square feet of fast, reliable Wi-Fi throughout your home. On the other hand, the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 takes it a step further with a maximum range of 5,500 square feet. This means both systems have excellent coverage. But if you have a larger home or need to cover more area, the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 might be a better choice. When it comes to compatibility, both the eero mesh Wi-Fi system and the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 work with major internet service providers, allowing you to easily integrate them into your existing network setup. Additionally, the eero system works seamlessly with Alexa devices, enabling convenient management of Wi-Fi access for network profiles. It's worth noting that the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 doesn't have Alexa integration. So, if you're already invested in the Alexa ecosystem, the eero system might be a better fit for you. Setting up a mesh Wi-Fi system should be hassle-free, and both the eero mesh Wi-Fi system and the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 excel in this aspect. The eero system comes with a user-friendly app that guides you through the setup process and allows you to manage your network from anywhere. Similarly, the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 offers a simple 3-step setup process and can be easily managed using the ASUS Router app. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or a beginner, both systems make it easy to get started. Now let's talk about performance. The eero mesh Wi-Fi system utilizes its true mesh technology to intelligently route traffic, minimizing drop-offs and dead spots. This ensures a stable and smooth Wi-Fi experience throughout your home. On the other hand, the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 incorporates the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, enabling more efficient transmission even when multiple devices are connected. Both systems offer excellent performance, but if you're looking for the latest technology, the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 might be the way to go. And that wraps up our comparison of the Amazon eero mesh Wi-Fi system and the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600. Both systems have their advantages, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you value extensive coverage and compatibility with Alexa, the eero system might be ideal for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for maximum range and the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, the ASUS ZenWiFi AX6600 could be your best bet. Don't forget to let us know which one you prefer in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Stay connected.